Digital marketing is a critical aspect of modern business, and in this course, we will provide a comprehensive understanding of how to create and execute a successful digital marketing strategy. In this social media marketing course, we will cover topics like the introduction to digital marketing. This section provides an overview of digital marketing, its benefits, and how it fits into a larger marketing strategy. We will see how search engine optimization works, how to improve the visibility and ranking of your website and content through search engine optimization techniques. Then we will jump into pay-per-click advertising. We'll explore the basics of PPC advertising, including how it works, different platforms, and how to create effective campaigns. Move on to social media marketing. We will discover how to use all social media platforms to reach and engage with your target audience, increase awareness of your brand, and increase conversions. We will cover ads, campaign strategies, analysis for all basic social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and so on. Then we will move on to content marketing. We will learn how to create and distribute engaging and effective content that engages your target audience and leads to results. Email marketing, learn how to use email to reach a larger target audience, build relationships, and increase conversions. Everything has to do with mobile marketing, gain insights into how to create and run mobile marketing campaigns that reach and interact with customers on the go. And finally, we will jump into measuring results and optimize campaigns, how to measure the success of your digital marketing campaigns and use data to improve any future efforts. Last but not least, we will explore the future of social media marketing in the captivating module where artificial intelligence takes center stage. We will uncover how AI technologies are reshaping the way brands connect with audiences across platforms. We will dive into sentiment analysis, God's public perception, enabling you to tailor your strategies for maximum impact. We will analyze all the basic and most important AI platforms, more than 20 platforms, and we will delve into predictive analytics, allowing you to anticipate trends and optimize your content schedule for optimal reach.